Switching tracks to the markets now with a meltdown as far as Nifty and Sensex are concerned, tumbling over 1%. The tariff uncertainty is denting sentiments as far as the spotlight it really is on reciprocal tariffs, with Goldman Sachs really saying that they see tariffs denting the US growth as well, and in fact going a step ahead and talking about the probability of a recession when it comes to the US. But what does this really mean for the Indian markets? We have Sakshi joining us. Sakshi, amid worries about US President Donald Trump's push for broad reciprocal tariffs, the markets are reflecting those concerns.
Absolutely. We can see the uncertainty really reflect on the stock markets. The Nifty and the Sensex tumble in trade over 1%. We have seen the Sensex decline over 1,000 points. The Nifty tumble over 250 points. We've seen broader markets also feel this pain. All sectoral indices trade firmly in the red. The volatility index also spiking. And really now, what really are the factors? The key reasons, of course, experts believe are the fact that this tariff uncertainty continues to dent sentiment. Remember, of course, the spotlight is on reciprocal tariffs. Come tomorrow, and the impact really that India will face. Now, in NDTV has been speaking to analysts, and of course, several reports and research data has been coming out. As per Citi Research, if this does go through, we will see a $7 billion annual impact as per SBI Research. Overall, exports from India could be impacted by around 3.5%. But remember, talks have been underway. While there is no official announcement of a broader framework in place as far as India and US are concerned at the moment, the fact of the matter is reciprocal tariffs and the continued tariff uncertainty has been weighing on not just India's stock markets but global stock markets. Remember, Goldman Sachs has also cited the fact that, look, tariff uncertainty is going to dent US growth. So, of course, remember, this is going to have an impact globally, and we are feeling the fact that, look, the market mood at the moment is facing this meltdown.